Hey guys, it's Jeremy again with my indicator, the Binary Destroyer. Today is Wednesday and it's day 3 of just doing my live trading session. I'm a bit busy tonight. I've got our weekly meeting with Michael Vert. We basically talk about our plans in the Destroyer and how everyone's been getting on, and just sort of getting some feedback on how the group and Destroyer has been performing. So I have a weekly review with Mike tonight, and I've also got to get my hair cut. So I've got about half an hour to 40 minutes to try and get some trades in. We are currently at 6-0 on my live account and 7-0 on my demo account. You can see here from yesterday, it's all still there. What you can actually see here is you can see our EA, okay, that we are currently testing. And it's currently, well, minus 10p in profit, and it's just dumped a load of trades on Euro USD on a call trade, and you can see exactly why it's called that, because we can see how, bear with me, you can see how the price is in the over, hold on, sorry there, still got my cold. You can see how the price is in the buy zones of the Binary Destroyer. We've got two nice signal arrows there, and the price is in the buy zone. We can see that there, two nice trades there and there, and it's at a major support line. I don't know if you can see it, but we can see a nice, 1 minute, we can see a nice support area around here, touch, a touch, a touch and a touch, and we are literally there at that support line. So you can see why it's put them trades on. Pretty confident they're going to be winners. It's been performing really well this past, well, the past 2 weeks really. Mike's been pretty much making profit every single day with it, and myself included. So hopefully, yeah, I can update you more on this. But yeah, let me just load up, the Binary Destroyer. I'm going to load it up on the 4 major currency pairs. New chart, AUD, USD Chef. So I'll like to show you my 4 major currency pairs: USD, Euro USD, USD Chef, AUD USD, and USD CAD. So, and we'll try and get 2-0, because that's my target. It's always 2-0. Try and get that target done, and in the next half an hour, and I can go and get my hair cut and then go see Michael. So that looks like nice setup there happening at the minute. So I've got, you won't be able to see me at the minute because I'm just literally working, trying to sort this webcam out, but I have got my laptop next to me ready to jump into some trades as well. So what I'll do is, like I usually do, is every trade I take on demo, I'll take on my live account, so you can see exactly how I trade. And we have one more, Euro USD, and we can have a look at how. Right, so Euro USD, nice signal there. Do I jump into that trade? No, I could be. That's a perfect setup there. I think by the time I jump into that trade, nope, I'm not going for that one. Again, nice signal there. Look at that signal now appearing. Boof, drops. USD Chef, don't like that. You see how USD Chef's going choppy? It's going sideways. Can you see that? We've got this all sort of choppiness here. I don't like that pair. USD CAD's really the only USD CAD. Okay. See, it's overbought on the RSI and it's entered the sell zone, and we've got a nice candle here. So I'm going to get USD CAD ready. I'm going to go for a 15-minute trade here. Let me just try and find it on my computer. USD CAD. Right, so I am ready to roll. I like this currency pair. I'm going to take a 15-minute trade here. The reason is because look at the bands, okay? If you count the bands from the price from here to here, it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15-minute trade would have put me in the middle. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, 30. So what I'm doing is I'm counting the price from the bottom bands to the top bands, and it's about 30 minutes from the price to go from the bottom to the top. So I'm looking for about a 15-minute to 30-minute trade there, okay? Anything more, there's no point taking an hour trade, because if you take an hour trade, the price would take 30 minutes to go back up and then 30 minutes to go back down. So that is why I'm not taking I don't like USD Chef. See how it's going sideways? I'm going to delete that. Yeah, USD Chef. Forgotten where that signal is. I'd be in the money. Really, the only one at the minute is USD CAD. Now it's dropping again. Let me see what USD JPY is saying. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm rushing this. I want to get some trades done. At least 1 or 2 nil would be nice, and then we can call it a day. If you've just seen this video, I suggest you watch yesterday's, and see, that would be a nice trade. Look at this. It's against the trend, but we got a nice signal. How do I know it's against the trend? Because look at where the price zones are. They're facing down. They're starting to face down now, and you've got a nice little trend line happening here. Can you see that? Bounce, bounce, bounce. But there's no signal hour yet, so I'm not going to enter that trade. Now USD CAD, I'm going to enter this USD CAD. I'm going to go in for a 20-minute trade. Let me just make sure. Right, USD CAD, I'm in on my live and I'm on my demo. So I've gone for a 50-minute trade, but IQ option gives me a 20-minute trade. So the reason why I entered this trade, pretty simple really. We're making a nice, can you see the little trend line forming here? Okay, we're making higher lows. Can you see that? We're starting to go down now. You see how the price bands, if you zoom out, the price bands are starting to turn. Okay, we had a nice uptrend here, and then the price bands are starting to turn and head down. I should wait for a signal arrow. You are correct, but I like to get in before a signal arrow. Okay, there are times where I do wait for a signal arrow, like here, and here would be a nice time, but I need to get these trades done and out of the way so I can go get my haircut. Look at that AUD CAD trade. Look at it. No. I might take, so that's me done now. I'm in one trade that needs to come into the money, and we can call that a day. If I get another signal now on USD JPY, I'm going to take a trade on there. AUD, let's just delete them. I missed that trade setup. See how it's dropping now? You can see here we've got a signal arrow, closes below the EMA, and now it's bouncing off. I always say this, okay, when the price is above the EMA, it's going up, like here. You see this going above it, and then as soon as the price goes below the EMA, the price is going down. Can you see that? So I'm going to leave that. Now USD CAD, we're going to have a nice pullback, okay, and then it's going to drop again. We've got the price. See how here the price comes up, pulls back, shoots up. Now we're going to go down, the price is going to pull up, and then it's going to drop again. So I am out the money, but this will drop nicely. What I'll do is I will, have I got another signal on USD JPY? what I'll do is I'll pause the video, I'll come back in 15 minutes when my trade comes into the money, and then it will give me 5 minutes left to watch the trade come into money on USD CAD. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I will come back. Hey guys, so yeah, like I said, it's literally been, well, 1 minute, but I just want to see how now I've got a signal arrow. We had a nice pullback, and now we get a signal arrow appearing now. You can get into the signal arrow at the minute, but like I said, and like I like to teach people, just get in, you know, learning a bit of price action, you can get in a little early. So we've got a nice signal arrow there which 100% confirms my trade. You can see now it will be dropping nicely into the money, nicely. I've got 11 minutes to go on my trade. But you can see, look, price is in the sell zone, oversold on the RSI. It's nice trade. USD JPY is fighting at the minute, it's fighting. But I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes and we can see that trade come in. Hey guys, yeah, literally been another couple of minutes, but can you see how you can still get in with that signal arrow? Look at it, look at that, literally dropping nicely. Even with that, and for me personally, even though I got in a little bit early, you know, that signal arrow for me just confirms that trade. Look at it, deep when it's dropping now. Like I said, you know, it come up, pull back, and then drop. So yeah, I have got 8 minutes to go on my live, so yeah, I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Hey guys, so I have got 5 minutes to go on my live one, and you can see it's going to be a nice deep win. Nice, you know, these sort of trades I look for. I think this is going to be me done for the day. USD JPY, I don't like that at the minute. It is dropping down, but you know, but I'm happy with 1-0 in the space of 10 minutes. I'm going to go get my hair cut and go speak to Mike. So that will leave me on a 100% winning streak this week. It will be 8-0 on my demo and 7 on my live account. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll just obviously keep the video going so you can see it come into the money 4 minutes ago. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back. In fact, I'll delete all this anyway. Look, see how we've got a nice signal here. We're in a nice, RSI's been oversold for a while. It is against the trend, massively against the trend. But I'm not going to take that trade because I want my 100% this week. So yeah, I'll just pause the video, I'll come back in 4 minutes. Hey guys, right, so 1 minute to go on my live account and 6 minutes to go. I'm literally just counting this to go into the money, and then that's me done. 40 seconds to go. So this, no, look at this, nice. I mean, look, this is sort of trades I like, and this is what I'm saying, okay, about it's with the trend. Every trade I've done this week that I've showed you guys has been against the trend, okay. This here is with the trend, and you can see we've got nice deep wins. Nice deep win because it's with the trend. It's making higher lows. You can see that meeting all the zones. It's win. So that's my live one's just coming to the money, and we have 5 minutes to go. If you wonder why I haven't showed my live account, it's pretty simple, okay. Because I wanted to show to you guys and the world that the Binary Destroyer is a legit, you know, group that we want to help people, okay. It's a registered trading business, okay. Registered. Oh, sorry, my phone's going off. Hold on, I've just got to take this phone call. Sorry, that was Michael. You see how it's dropping now? Yeah, so because I'm a registered business in the UK, we are an educational company teaching people to trade the stock market with our destroyer, exactly how I trade it and everybody else. But because of that, I can't do any signals. I can only educate, okay. I can't show you my live account. I can't do anything like that. It's a very grey area in the UK. And that's the reason, okay? I'm here to help you guys and help everybody learn to trade, and that's what I love to do, is just trade in front of you guys and show you. But yeah, you know, it's a grey area here in the UK about, you know, I can't provide any signals or any financial advice or anything like that. Okay, I can't, you know, I can't provide signals basically, and I can't trade for you. I don't want to do signals. I don't want to trade for you. I want to teach you. You know, you teach a man to fish, they'll be able to fish for life. You teach a man to trade, and they'll be able to trade wherever they are in the world, whether that's Barbados, America, Japan, wherever. Okay, if I teach you to trade, it's with you for life, and that's what the Binary Destroyer is about, and it always will be about. Just, you know, just showing you guys exactly how we trade and teaching you exactly what I've just done here. Nice win. So yeah, you can see clearly going to be a winner. I mean, there's no point carrying this video on. Look, it's just dropping. I'm going to leave that there. Literally, it's been 1-0 in the space of 10-15 minutes. That's me done. You know, you can see that's going to come into the money. So that is me on a 100% success ratio. It's for Wednesday. I might not do any trading tomorrow because I've got to do a training video for the VIP group, so I won't have time. To be honest, I probably won't even bother trading the rest of the week. I might do a couple of trades tomorrow. We'll see what happens, and I'll let you know anyway. Okay, thank you.